1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Hey, Drew James here from LearnGuitarInLondon.com, and I'm playing absolute music teachers stable, what they always teach, Greensleeves. This is my arrangement in Fingerstyle. I think it makes it a lot more enjoyable and melodic to have the bass notes going along with it. To get hold of this tab, then all you need to do is join the student area of my website. It's completely free. It just takes a name and email address. There's a link in the video now and a link in the video description, so nice and easy. So we're going to get started with it. I'm going to break it down into little parts, into bars for you, and we're going to do it slowly and get you playing this classic. Now, it must be stressed that you are not learning a single note beginner's version of this song. You are learning a fingerstyle accompaniment to this. So what this means is you've got the melody and the bass notes doing their thing in the acoustic guitar. And I think it makes for a very rich version of, let's face it, a very worn out song, shall we say. But it's still a lot of fun to play. I'm going to give you a few little picking techniques as we go. Now, it's based around 4 chords. If you know those chords, skip along. I'll leave a link in the video right now so that you can just skip in. A minor and C, G, but you really only need this, so that's 3rd fret on the thickest, 3rd on the B, and then F major 7. Okay, so I'm going to show you those chords. If you know them, skip along. A minor, 1st fret on the B string. I label the strings Eddie, A, Dynamite, Goodbye, Eddie, E, A, D, G, B, E. So 1st fret on the B string with the index finger, 2nd fret on the D string with the middle finger, 2nd fret on the G string with the ring finger. For that chord, you would strum bottom 5 if we were strumming. From C, from this chord, you just lift up the ring finger, leave the index and middle exactly where they are on frets 1 and 2 on the B and the D, and put the ring finger on fret 3 on the A string and stretch those fingers across. The G5, you can do it in a couple of ways. I suggest you do it this way. 3rd fret on the thickest string with your ring finger and 3rd fret on the B string with your pinky. Now, you may find that hard to do, especially if you're new to guitar. So if you do, just use your middle and your ring finger. Okay. The reason why I suggest using your ring and your pinky is because it's easier to change from C to G that way. Okay. Whereas to do that, there's a lot more movement. Yes. And the last chord, F major 7, 1st fret on the B string with the index, 2nd fret on the G string with the middle, and ring finger on 3rd fret on the D string, and strum the bottom 5. So there are your chords. Let's start looking at the first 3 or 4 bars. Once again, get the tab from the website. I'm going to be referencing it a lot. It's completely free, just takes a name and email address. Link is in the video description. So we're going to start holding down an A minor. Now, with the fingerstyle rule that I like to use, I base it on a classical technique. The thumb always plays the E, A, and D string. The index plays the G string, the middle plays the B, and the ring plays the E. So if we were to do all 6 strings, we go thumb, 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 index, middle, ring. Okay, so A minor. Hold that down, starting with your index finger playing the A note. So that's index. Then you're going to pinch, thumb on A string, index and middle. Pinch means pulling more than one string at the same time. So that's your beginning. Pretty easy so far. Then 3rd fret, 2nd fret on the A string, and I like to use pinky finger on the 3rd fret on the B string, and pinch those 2 strings. So that's thumb and middle on your picking hand. Then make your C chord from there. Pinch the A string, index, middle and ring, a 4-fingered pinch. So you get that lovely rich melody. Harmony, sorry. Second fret on the thinnest, just use the middle finger, then open. Then you could use your middle and ring for this, on the third fret on the thickest, third fret on the thinnest, on the B, open on B. So let's go from bar 3. And from the beginning. Okay, then second fret on the A string, second string down, pinching thumb on that note we're holding down and index on the G. And as soon as we play the G, we're going to fret that down on second fret on the G, then open on the B. Back to A minor, pinching thumb on A, index and middle, then index on that too. So let's do from the beginning to that point. Ready? 2, after 2, 1, 2. Then make your F major 7 chord, third fret on the B, on the G string, index on 1, middle on 2. Pinch the middle string, so that's thumb and index, then first fret on the G, then second fret, and then move that second fret just up 1 string to the D, pinching thumb and middle, first fret again on G, and then second fret this time on the D string, pinching including the top string. Okay? The beginning. We're then going to pretty much repeat from the beginning of the song. A minor, C, 3. Okay, so if you're following along with me, bars 10, 11, 12, 13 are exactly the same as bars 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay? So now bar 14, make an A minor, open on the B, then second fret, then first fret on the G string, pinching the thickest string as well as the string you're holding down. Bit of a stretch here. Use your little finger to do fourth fret on the D, then back to index on the first fret. It really helps when you're doing this part if you get that little finger already stretched out. If you're doing this, you're not going to be able to hit your target. That's what you're looking for. You can have them both held down, but I don't like the way they ring. They don't sound too good. Okay, the ending, second fret on the G, pinching the A, and then second fret on the D and G, pinching those 3 strings including the A bass. Okay, so that's the first half of the tune. Okay, so we're going to take it up to there, that's bars 1 to 17. Slowly, play it along with me, and then we'll do the second half. From there, we're going to make a C chord again, but this time with the C, we're going to put our little finger down on the 3rd fret on the B string, okay? On the E string, sorry. So you're going to be down here. So that's your C chord. You're going to play the thumb, index, middle and ring, and you're going to pinch them. And if you really want to make it sound schmancy, you're going to go thumb, index, middle, ring with a rake. I'm not going to go into that technique right now in the video, but it sounds nice. So you pinch that, and you do it again. Then 2nd fret on the thinnest, then open. G again, so 3rd fret on the thickest, 3rd fret on the B, pinching thumb, index and middle. Open on the B, 2nd fret on the A string, pinching the A and G. 2nd fret on the G, open on the B, A minor, pinching just the A and the B string, open on the B, then 2nd fret on the D, on the G. So, I'll take it from the beginning of the new bit, so that's bar 18. I'll do it slowly. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Then to an F major 7. So we've had that chord earlier, pinching the middle strings of that chord, D and G to give you 3 and 2. 1st fret on the G, 2nd fret on the G. 2nd fret on the D string and thumb and middle. 1st fret on the G, 2nd fret on the D string, playing the thickest as well as a pinch. Then we're going to repeat basically bar 18 again, so 26. So we're going to do the C with the little finger. And again, then 2, 0, 28, which is the same as 20. Open on B. And that's 29. And that's the same as 21. A minor. So that's 22. 30 is the same as 22. 31. So this is 1st fret on the G. And we're doing that stretch again with the pinky finger over to the D on the 4th fret. And then back to 1 on the G. Then A minor, pinching the thumb and index. Then index again on the 2, and finishing with a mini bar chord up here on fret 5, D, G and B string. Hold those down, press as hard as you can. You can use a 3-finger chord if you want. All on fret 5 and the thumb on the A string to do a pinch. And that's the ending. So I'll play all of this part 2 section from bar 18 onwards after 3. 1, 2, 3. So I hope you've enjoyed that. If you have, please leave a like on the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to be updated of when there are new lessons. Keep on playing. Have a great day.